Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video. And if you can remember, previously I have shared in a video that how I usually purchase things, the minimalist buying guide, or like how you can save your more money and waste less, and don't buy stuffs with emotions but rather than logic. So yeah, I have shared all of those before. Now in the last stage of the video, like there were one step where you actually need to buy it and you have to have it. Then you should do what, like compare multiple stuffs and like maybe wait for a bit and then buy, or whatever, like get it in the best price and get the best thing. Now suppose you are buying something from Amazon, and while you are buying it, maybe uh, the price you are getting right now, it's not the lowest. Like how will you see? Like obviously in every e-commerce platform price varies a lot, okay, but when you are in it, how will you know that what can be the lowest price, but or what was the lowest price before this? How is the how they are changing price, when particularly in what time they are changing the prices? How will you get to know about it? Or maybe you want to get notified in your mail or in your like in a messenger channel like Telegram, uh, whenever the price drops and all. There are obviously alerting services like that. So today I'm gonna showcase a plugin, Chrome plugin, that I have started using recently. And I know this is a old plugin, I know this is all old plugin, still I am sharing it and giving you a proper overview of how you can use it, like in the most efficient way, okay. So that's what we're gonna see here today. So let's get started. So here we are talking about Keepa today. Keepa is basically a Chrome plugin. You can get their Android and iOS app too, but it works, to be honest. If you are not a heavily mobile user and you used to purchase like stuffs in the desktop, I would suggest you use it. And to be honest, do you know one thing? Rather than purchasing it from mobile apps, it may cost you lesser sometimes while you are buying in desktop, because you can compare multiple things. You can apply coupons from Honey. That is something I use a lot. Here you can see Honey plugin in my uh, Chrome. So most of the times you get a lot of discounts by Honey. And obviously let's talk about Keepa over here. So here is one of the Amazon product, that is not Amazon product, from a product from Zoom, that is Zoom H1, that is this one, okay, that I'm using right now as my mic. Though it's not a mic, though it's a handy recorder, but still I'm using it for mic because it sounds great, right? And if you are listening to my sounds for a long time right now, whatever. So the price they are showing it right now, it's way higher than I bought it, okay. I have bought it way cheaper. Now how you can see the past pricings of it is here. Here you can see the whole graph of the pricing that Keepa is providing over here. You can get 1 year or all the time as well. So I have, to be honest, I have bought it around here. Yes, you can see the pricing over here, right? Like 5464. Yeah, I have bought it around that price when I bought it, okay. And though the UI is not way like fancier or anything like that, but it provides a lot of information over here, to be honest. And you can use it for eBay as well. Now what we are getting over here, so mainly what is important to you is this stat first thing, okay. And you can get the like uh, similar statistics, like quick view of statistics over here. What was the lowest price, what was current price, what is the highest price, what is the average price. You can get all of this. Okay, so we can see lowest price is 5180. That was in October 21, 2019. So whoever got on that day, you stole a deal, to be honest. And you can compare international prices as well, Amazon international prices, and you can apply community tracking, whatever. And you can here you can get news support for keeper, manage price watches, like those are, this section is actually if you are logged in or logged in with an account, or these six things are only for that, like find related deals. It will like go to keeper, to be honest. Okay, see, so those are just hyperlinks of keeper's platform, like pricing watches. And as I'm not login, it will not show me anything right over here. But if you log in, it will show a lot of things over here. Like in deal section it is public, but in tracking section it will obviously show specific things that you are tracking. You can get the app, here is the data, you can like access the premium data as well, whatever. Let's keep our discussion to this section only. And if you wanna click on track product, you can get that as well. Right now whatever is the price, like this feature is not available for Amazon.in, but whatever. uh, if you wanna, like whenever you click on it, you will get whatever the best price you can get. Now obviously you will not get the lowest. Let's suppose you will get it for 5992. So 5992, right? And I don't want used. And if you want to click on it, you can click on start tracking. It will tell you to register yourself or log in to continue, so you can do that. I'm not doing that right now, whatever. And after that you will get like really great options to, first of all, get notified in your mails. Second, get notified via Telegram channel. So they have this great feature of having a tracking in Telegram as well. So they have their own Telegram bot. You can log into that, and whenever the price drops, you will get notified into your Telegram. How cool is that, right? Whatever. I can show it right now to you, because obviously I don't want to reveal my account or my email ID. That's why I am not showing it right now. But yeah, that's it. And in the data section, you will get a lot of data about this product if you are logged in. But this section is a premium feature, I think. That's why you will get like certain counts of data, to be honest. And that's about it. And you here is a settings of it. But basically, which section you will deal with is this one and this one. You can track the product pricing from here, like, or you can get all of the history from here. And whenever you want to track that product, like set the pricing and start tracking it. Okay, so that was it about this video. I realized later that I talked too much about Kippa in this video that I shouldn't have. Whatever. So, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the great Chrome plugins like this, which can be useful in a lot of use cases, like it has a single purpose, like Kippa has a single purpose, but whatever, you get my point, right? So please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.